Hi friends, today we will go through a new lesson in biology. Life's mysteries in little chambers. All living organisms are made up of cells. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of complex organisms. Cells perform all the metabolic activities taking place at cellular level. The discovery of cells was possible with the invention of microscope. In this chapter, we are going to see 5 divisions. First one is microscope and the second one is discovering the cell. The third one is plant cell. Fourth one is prokaryotes and eukaryotes. And the last one is animal cell. Move on to the first division, that is microscope. Let us see some important parts of the microscope. The first part is eyepiece. The image is brought to the focus of the eye. It is observed through this. The image formed by the objective is magnified. The second part is knobs. It can be used to adjust the focus. And the third part is objective lens. Light is received from the object. It creates a magnified image. The next part is stage and clip. The object is placed on the stage and fixed by the clip. This is the usage of this part. The next part is condenser. Condenser encloses the lens which concentrate light rays towards the object. And the next part, that is mirror. The light is reflected towards the object through this. Now, let us see the simple microscope and compound microscope. First one is simple microscope. Simple microscope has only one lens, and in case of compound microscope, it has more than one lens. You know that which part of the microscope have lens? First one is eyepiece, second one is objective, and the third one is the condenser. Second topic in this chapter is discovering the cell. Robert Hooke, who observed the cell for the first time in 1665, he named it cell, which means chamber. Now we are going to see the cell theory. Cell theory was put forward by M.J. Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. The theory consists of 2 parts. All living bodies are made up of cells. Then, the cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Students, the third topic is plant cell. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells that differ in several key aspects from the cells of other eukaryotic organisms. A cell wall is composed of cellulose and semicelluloses, pectin, and in many cases lignin is secreted by the protoplasm on the outside of the cell membrane. So, moving to the next one, that is protoplasm. The whole fluid part in the cell membrane is called protoplasm. The next one is cytoplasm. The part of the protoplasm except the nucleus is called the cytoplasm. The next one is organelles. The various tiny and specialized factors in the protoplasm are called organelles. They carry out different biological activities. Friends, next we are going to see about cell organelles and their functions. First one is mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cell and can be used for the production and storage of energy. The next one is endoplasmic reticulum. It is the passage in the cell and it provides the shape and firmness of the cell. And the next one is ribosomes. It is the center of protein synthesis. The next one is vacuoles. These are enclosed by the special membrane called tonoplast. They store water, salts and some excretory materials. The next one is Golgi complex. These are extensively found in glandular cells. Enzymes, hormones, mucus, etc. These are stored and distributed. The next one is nucleus. It is the regulatory center of the cell. Nucleus means the most important part. Nucleus controls all the cellular activities. The cellular activities takes place due to the actions of various hormones. The genes in the chromatin reticulum of the nucleus determines the kind of enzymes to be produced. The nucleus controls all the cellular activities due to the presence of genes. So friends, our fourth topic is prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In certain microbes, the cell does not contain a nucleus. Such organisms are called prokaryotes. Examples are bacteria, cyanobacteria and mycoplasma. In organisms like amoeba, animals and plants, the nucleus is enclosed by a clear membrane. Such organisms are called eukaryotes. The last topic of this chapter is animal cell. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells or cells with a membrane bound nucleus. Unlike prokaryotic cells, DNA in animal cells is housed within the nucleus. Organelles have a wide range of responsibilities that include everything from producing hormones and enzymes to providing energy of animal cells. The lysosomes are the animal cells' garbage disposal, while in plant cells, the same function takes place in vacuoles. Plant cells have a cell wall, chloroplast and other specialized plastids, a large central vacuole which are not found within animal cells. Now, let us see the characteristics of an animal cell. Like the cells of all eukaryotes, animal cells have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Unlike the cells of plants and fungi, animal cells lack a cell wall. This gives animal cells flexibility. So, friends, this chapter is over. I hope all of you understood this lesson. We will reach you on the next chapter. Bye.